Are you tired of manually watering your garden? I may have a solution for you. So this right here is a water timer by Metry Grow. And this is how I'm gonna water my garden hands-free. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the box opened up and see all the contents that's in here. So we have the actual unit itself. It comes with some water sealing tape. It comes with 2 rubber gaskets. And it comes with an instruction booklet. Let me read over this right quick and then I'll cut y'all back on. So the instruction booklet is pretty much straightforward. You have the main part that you hook to the water hose on spigot. Then you can hook up 2 water hoses, one here, and you're able to set 2 timers per hose and run your sprinkler that way. The one thing I don't like is that it requires batteries. It requires 2 AA batteries that's not included, but it requires you to only use alkaline AA batteries. Now I know if you're like me, I have plenty AA batteries sitting around the house, but I don't have that specific brand alkaline. So now I'm gonna have to make an extra trip to go to the store just to get these batteries. So in the future, I hope they decide to include the batteries with the unit itself, since they want a specific brand to only be used. So I ended up talking to a representative about the batteries, and they said the reason they don't ship batteries with it is because of shipping policies and guidelines. So that's why batteries are not included. But I got some AA batteries, so let's go ahead and get the unit hooked up. Okay, y'all, so I have the batteries installed inside the unit, and the first thing you're gonna wanna do once you have the batteries in is you're gonna wanna set the time. So you go to set the clock, and then you set it for what time it is. Right now it is 10:36 a.m., so I have the clock set. So now I wanna go to start time. So this is water hose A, so you have A and B. So on A, I wanted to cut on at 6:30 a.m. So now the water will cut on at 6:30 a.m. Now I will switch it to how long. So now I have it set for 5 minutes. So at 6:30 a.m., the water will cut on and it will stay on for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna switch it to how often. So right now it's set at every 6 hours, but I wanna do it every 2 hours. So I will go to decrease. Now every 2 hours, it will the water will cut on and stay on for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get water hose B set up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get the unit put on the spigot. But I did want to show you, once you have everything set and you switch back to on, the display shows what time it is. Then it shows a countdown for when the water will cut on either A or either B. And y'all, just for the video's sake, I went ahead and switched the timer to cut on in 5 minutes so y'all can see it in action. So right now I'm getting the unit installed on the spigot. I'm gonna go ahead and hook the water hoses up, and then we'll cut y'all back on. Okay, y'all, so we have everything hooked up. We have the water hoses attached using the rubber gaskets that came with it. And as you can see on the display itself, it shows how much battery life is left in your batteries, and it does the countdown on both water hose A and B for when the next start time is. Okay, so I have this sprinkler right here hooked up for this garden area here and this garden area over here. And I have this sprinkler right here hooked up for this garden area over here. Okay, y'all, so it's less than a minute, and both sprinklers should cut on and should stay on for approximately 5 minutes. All right, there you go. The first sprinkler has cut on. And as you see, the second sprinkler has cut on. Now both sprinklers should stay on for approximately 5 minutes, and then they will automatically cut off. And there you have it, y'all. Hands-free watering. So on days you got to go out of town or you're not able to get to your garden to water it, there's no worries, because you have the timer set up and it will automatically water your garden for you. So if you're interested in the Metry Grow sprinkler timer, I will leave links in the description, and I want to thank Metry Grow for sponsoring today's video. And as always, thank y'all for watching.